Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about some of the most important libraries in Python that are widely used in finance and data analysis. So these libraries help us work with numbers, statistics and financial data and even stock prices also. So in Python a library is like a toolbox, right? It contains ready-made tools or functions that we can use and we do not have to build everything from scratch. So let's begin by understanding how to install and import libraries in Python. So first is installing libraries. So to use a library in Python we first need to install it. We use a common command prompt that is pip install for this. Okay, so basically I will show you how you can use. So you will just write the Jupyter notebook and you can just open the this type of interface, and then you can write this type of installation commands, and then you can install the commands, like you install the libraries here. First library is NumPy, second is Panda, third is SciPy, and fourth is Yahoo Financials. So this is basically 4 type of libraries. You should install it first, then you can use it. So just open your terminal or command prompt, whatever you are using, and type these lines one by one. Press enter after each line. This will download and install the libraries from the internet. So for install these libraries, you should open your internet at that time. So after installing, we need to import the libraries into our Python program. So how we can do it? We can do it by this way. We should import our libraries, like we are using 3-4 libraries here. First is in NumPy. So we have to write these commands like import NumPy as NP, import Pandas as PD, import SciPy is as imports stats, import Yahoo Finance as YF. Okay, so why we are using NumPy? We are using NumPy for numerical operations. We use Pandas for data manipulation and analysis, and we use SciPy for scientific computations, and we are using Yahoo Finance for financial data, for fetching the financial data. Basically NumPy is used to do math with array and numbers. Pandas is used to work with tables of data just like Excel. SciPy is like helps us to statistical analysis and complex math. And Yahoo Financials, it is a special package that gives us real-time stock and bond market data. So basically these are the libraries, how we have imported it, you can understand. Now first is NumPy. NumPy is first we will understand what NumPy in detail. So NumPy stands for numerical Python. It helps us to work with arrays, and we are like list of first we have to understand what is NumPy. NumPy stands for numerical Python. Yes, it helps us work with arrays, and arrays is like like a list of numbers. Arrays is like list of numbers. So basically it helps us to work with arrays. You can see the example of NumPy. As we have imported the NumPy and NP, so we will use NP here, np.array and 1 2 3. Now you can write the code and you can see the output like 2.0. So what we have done, we have find the average. So basically we have just calculated the average. We can also calculate the standard deviation by using the math function NumPy. So how NumPy makes our life so easy, you can understand. Now we will understand what is Pandas. Pandas is one of the most powerful libraries in Python. It helps us deal with data in rows and columns. It is similar like Excel sheet. Okay, so basically this is the code of Python. Where is code of Panda? Yeah, we have imported Panda as PD. So you can see we have used PD. So df is a variable, PD data frame, and these are something like that. So in Excel, just like Excel, like ITC in one row, and numbers like stock is one row and price is in another row. So what we have done, we have just manipulate the data like Excel. We have just put the stocks in one row and prices in another row. So this is basically used for deal with data in rows and columns. Okay, So this creates a data frame which is like a mini Excel table, and with Pandas we can sort, filter, clean, analyze data very easily. Now we will understand what is SciPy. So yeah, SciPy is sort for scientific Python. It has many tools for doing math and statistics. Let's say we want to find out the probability of a value of a normal distribution. So this is the code for find the probability of a normal distribution, and basically it is used for scientific Python. So here, so SciPy is a great when you want to work with statistics, optimization and integration, and many more. Okay, so this is all about the libraries, and now we will understand fundamental data obtaining and downloading. So where we can get the data, companies data, and from where we can get the companies data. We often want to study financial data of companies like Apple, Reliance, ITC, Infosys, etc. There are many websites that offer this data, such as Yahoo Finance, Alpha Vantage, Financial Modeling Preparation, Quant DI. The good news is we can directly download this data into Python using special libraries. One such library is the Yahoo Financials. Yes, we can use the Yahoo Financials, and we can download the data. So basically our program is get income statement from Yahoo Finance. So we just want to get the income statement from Yahoo Finance. What we have to do, we have to write this code. Please guys follow my cursor, because you will get to know that where I am. So basically you have to write this code, and you can get the income statement of any company. Here I have I just wanted to know, wanted to download the data of Infosys. That's why I have written the name of Infosys, and this is the ticker symbol of Infosys. You can use any company here. You can use ITC, you can use Reliance, any company. And this is basically the income statement of Infosys. And year, what year I have used, 1 second. No, this is for this year. So this is the income statement of Infosys, all in single life. You can just download it in Excel file also by using the code. I will tell you how you can download it in Excel. So basically you can also use balance sheet or balance or cash instead of income, and to get the balance sheet or cash flow statement. Okay,